young couple stood hand in hand at the entrance of their new home, a vision of sleek modernity nestled amidst the rolling hills and rugged mountains of Nova Lima's nature preserve. The house, designed with a focus on simplicity and legibility, was a blank canvas waiting to be filled with their story. Standing 2 stories tall, the house proudly displayed its industrial heart. Steel frames served as its skeleton, its walls honest slabs of concrete block, and wide glass panes offered unobstructed views of the surrounding beauty. The roof, a marvel of prefabricated engineering, featured steel trusses covered in thermoacoustic tiles. This commitment to prefabrication extended to the building's very core: plumbing, electrical systems, and even the concrete floors and benches, all chosen for their functionality and aesthetic purity. Stepping inside, the couple was greeted by a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. A large veranda on the first floor served as the heart of the home, connecting the modern kitchen, dining area, and living room into one expansive space. A tucked-away restroom and a dedicated study offered moments of quiet contemplation, while the concrete swimming pool beckoned for refreshing dips. To ensure comfort for their guests, an accessible suite was positioned at the rear, offering a private haven. Following the steel catwalk that intersected the living room's impressive double-height ceiling, they reached the upper floor. Here, 2 suites awaited, each situated at opposite ends of the building for maximum privacy. One suite boasted a private, roofed balcony, an ideal spot to savor the panoramic view of the lush green tapestry woven by the surrounding hills. The landscaping, true to the home's philosophy of respecting its environment, consisted solely of the native vegetation, creating a harmonious connection between the house and its natural surroundings. It was a home ready to be filled with life, a stage set for the couple's story to unfold, a canvas waiting to be adorned with their dreams and aspirations. That's it for this tour of this incredible modern home in Nova Lima. If you love the concept of a simple, legible space that reflects the homeowner's personality, don't forget to leave a thumbs up to show your appreciation. For more architectural gems like this one, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. In the comments below, let me know what kind of homes you'd love to see featured next. And if you're an architect or designer with a project you'd like me to consider, reach out. Thanks for watching.